Hi, my friends. Do you know how to create a WhatsApp group? If not, then this video is for you. Okay. At first, open WhatsApp. Tap the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Here, tap on the new group. Now choose the participants you want to add. When done, tap the green arrow in the lower right corner. Here, enter a group subject or name for the group. Even you can add some emojis to the title. Now tap the green checkmark to finish creating the group. Okay. Here you can start sending messages. Tap in the compose message area, and then enter your message. Even you can add a profile picture of the group. Here's how you can do it. Tap on the profile picture. Then select gallery. After that, go on select the picture you would like to use. That's it. Now to adding members to a WhatsApp. Tap on profile picture. Tap on add option. Now go on select the contact that you would like to add to the group. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and even leave a comment.